Hi everybody, it's Cathryn from In Pink Designs, and today I am doing a project which I'm going to be doing a make and take to go. Just one project. The project itself will be $3, including what's inside, but the total weight of the project plus the envelope is about 3 ounces. So you have to figure in what your shipping will be and whether you want to or not. You can get more than one, but I only have 12 total. Enough of the contents and the paper left to do 12. Okay, so if you would like that, I won't be putting it on my Facebook page until tomorrow, so I give people who watch my video first dibs on it. Okay, just send me an email and give me your PayPal email and your home address so that I could figure out what the shipping would be. All right, so today I'm using the Fright Night bundle. I haven't done a kit with this, so I figured I would just do a one make and take with it. And I'm also using the Spotlight on Nature dies along with the 1 7/8 inch circle punch. I will cut out everything that I can that's not included in this bundle. If it's included in this bundle, I can't cut it out for you. All right, so you need a piece of basic white that is 7.5 by 6, and I will cut this for you. I cut out with the 1 7/8 inch hole punch, I cut out a piece of pumpkin pie and one out of the Spooky Sweet DSP. This circle from Basic Black Cardstock, I cut with the Spotlight on Nature dies, and it's 2 1/8 inch. I cut out 2 of the Boo sentiments and 1 of the spider webs and 1 of the labels, which we cut down so that it doesn't stick too far off the box. And then for the DSP, you need 2 pieces that are 2 by 2.5, 2 that are 1 by 2.5, and 2 that are 2 by 1. All right, let me get my Simply Scored. Dimensionals will not be included in this because I'm down to very little, and by the time I order and I don't get free shipping for being a demonstrator at this point. I think when you're higher up you do, but I don't get it, and it's so expensive to get the one-day shipping, so the dimensionals would not get here until too close to Halloween. So, sorry about that. All right, so we're going to start on the 7.5 inch side, score at 1 1/4, 3 1/2, 4 3/4, and 7. Turn it to the 6 inch side and score at 1 1/4, 4, and 5 1/4. All right, now I'm going to fold and burnish my score lines. Okay, our 1/2 inch rectangle is over here. There is a 1 1/4 strip here and here, and a 3/4 strip at the top. And this is what we're doing. All right, so we're going to start down over here, go to the first score line, cut it to the first score line, and wedge that square. Go to the next 2 score lines and cut them to the first score line and wedge that square. Then we're going to go to that last score line, cut it to the first score line, and wedge up. So that's our bottom. Okay, turn it so that your 1/2 inch rectangle is over here. And we're going to count to the second score line, cut it to the second score line, and take these 4 pieces off. And then wedge up on this 1/2 inch rectangle. Okay, go to the next score line, cut it to the second score line, take off the rectangle and wedge the square. Okay, go to that next score line, cut it to the second score line, take off the bottom rectangle and wedge the square. All right, now we just want to round the corners of our top flap. Okay, and that's what your cardstock should look like when you're done. Okay, I'm going to get some tear and tape and put it on what's left of that 1/2-inch rectangle next to the score line and take the backing off. Okay, flip over the whole project, fold over the side with the tape and the other side to meet it. Okay, this is our back, so we're going to put this flap down first. Okay, now we need our DSP. The two pieces that are 2 by 2.5, front and back. The 1 by 2.5 are the long sides, and the 2 by 1 are the short sides. Okay, I forgot to show you what was inside. Okay, it opens like this, and inside we have a glow-in-the-dark ghost clip. This can go on backpacks or keys or whatever you want it to. Okay, or your lanyard or something like that. I'm sorry, I forgot to show you. All right, now let's let that sit, and we need the rest of our pieces. All right, get some scrap. And we're going to, only one of the blue boos, we need some Wink of Stella glitter. If you have some other type of glitter, you could use it if you don't have Wink of Stella. And I'm going to put it on the boo and just on the last 3 pieces of the spider web. It would have been so easy if we just had this glitter paper, but we don't this time. Okay, while that dries, it doesn't take too long to dry. We're going to take our banner and we're going to stamp Happy Halloween from the Fright Night stamp set. Now we need our 2 circles, and the only reason I am attaching these is just to make it a little stiffer because we're popping it up. So attach these together with some liquid glue. Okay, then we're going to take this circle, the 2 1/8 inch circle, and our spider web, and we want like the 3 up that we did put glitter on to show. So I'm going to just kind of add some glue here. And we want it to come up. The 3rd one is going to show, but it's on the edge of the circles. So it doesn't matter if glue shows down here because we're going to cover that. And then we're going to put dimensionals. Alright, I lost my dimensionals and I only had a little piece. I had half a sheet left and it seems to have disappeared. So I'm going to use the edges and what I have to of minis because that's all I have left. Okay, we squeaked it out for now. Alright, and then I'm going to put this, I want that up there like that, just like that. Alright, and then I'm going to glue the two boos together just to raise it up a little bit. You don't have to if you don't want to. Okay, now this Happy Halloween we did, I am going to clip off that extra piece plus a little bit more, just because our box is not that wide. You can leave it on if you don't mind it. Okay, so we want our spider web to the side up there. Then I'm going to put the Happy Halloween towards the bottom. Okay, just like that. And then we're going to glue the boo above that, and it's going to touch it just a little bit. Okay, and we got that. Alright, then we need our box. But you need, after you put the DSP, you need to just get a little finger grip out of the backs of it. There we go. Just so it's easier to grab it. Put in your little ghost. Right, and then we're going to put dimensionals on the back of this. Okay, and then we're going to just place this right there. Okay, and for the final touch, I'm going to take 3 of the black shimmer stars, put one there, one there, and one down there. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Any questions, my email is below, along with all of the other information you might need. Please subscribe and hit the like button. And if you'd like to buy one of these make and takes, please let me know. See you next time. Bye.